To turn on the standby mode on iPhone 16e, first of all, we need to go to settings. In the settings, we need to find and go to standby. And then over here we have the standby option. So if it's disabled, just tap on the switcher to turn it on. And now we should be able to place the iPhone on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames, and clocks. So let's give it a try. Let's start charging our iPhone. Let's lock the screen. There we go. And I'm gonna place it on the side for a sec. And let's see if this works. Alright, and I managed to actually turn it on. Let's say if I move it up. Yeah, so if I move it up, it hides. But essentially you want to place it on this side, on the left or right side, in order to show the standby mode. So as you can see, we have the calendar over here. We can move it up in order to find events. We can also switch the widget on the left side. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!